Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects each and every one of us: budgeting. Whether you're saving up for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to make your paycheck stretch a little further, having a budget is key. But fear not, we've got some budgeting tips and tricks that will help you take control of your finances and reach your goals. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Track your spending. The first step to creating a budget is understanding where your money is going. Take some time to track your spending for a month. Write down everything you spend money on, from bills to that morning coffee. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and where you can make adjustments. Tip number 2. Create a realistic budget. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. Start by listing all your sources of income, then deduct your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and debt repayment, and then budget for discretionary spending, like dining out or entertainment. Make sure your budget is realistic and sustainable. Tip number 3. Meal prep and cook at home. One of the biggest expenses for many people is food. Eating out can quickly drain your bank account, so consider meal prepping and cooking at home instead. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also healthier and can be a fun activity to do with family or friends. Tip number 4. Embrace cash envelopes. Cash envelopes are a great way to stick to your budget, especially if you tend to overspend with cards. Allocate a certain amount of cash to different spending categories, like groceries or entertainment, and only use cash for those expenses. Once the cash is gone, that's it for the month. Tip number 5. Use technology to your advantage. There are tons of budgeting apps and tools available that can help you track your spending, set savings goals, and even automate your finances. Find an app that works for you and make the most of technology to stay on top of your finances. And there you have it, folks. Budgeting doesn't have to be daunting. With these tips and tricks, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and sticking to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.